Alright, so here is a tutorial on how to do the water extended superslide outside of Zora's River. First of all, you can enter it two ways. You can walk in, then hold down and roll as you enter. You'll be facing this direction. Or you can do a jump slash or triple slash into the loading zone, in which you'll be behind the sign, having moved very little upon entering. Either way, you want to turn 90 degrees, face this direction, get away from the sign so that you won't read it. If you'll notice that my A icon would say check. It is in Japanese. So we want to get away from the sign so that that does not pop up. Side hop once to the right, side hop twice to the right. Do a neutral roll to the right. That's while holding Z, hit A, and then release C and retarget during the roll. Like this. Roll, release C, retarget. So now we're facing this direction. We want to get out our sword, look above Link's head. Where the texture above him changes from green to brown, and then the texture above that changes from white to green. Basically the midpoint between those. You want to have Link standing directly under it. Now that you've found it, you want to do a jump slash. That's why holding Z, hit A. And if you did it correctly, you'll recoil off the wall. Now what you want to do now is hold the ESS position. So I've hopefully found it. I unpause, and I got it. Okay, so what happens if you don't get it? Something like this happens. I'll line up properly. What happens if you get like this? As long as you've held Z the entire time, you can just jump across the bank again and try it again. When you do that, when you try again, your camera may be slightly strange. So what you want to do to fix that, just release C and hit it again. That will center the camera correctly. So now, we'll try it again. And there we go. Perfect WESS. So, if you did it correctly, you'll hold it all the way over to Kakariko, skipping the owl. So let me do that one more time. I prefer to triple slash clip into the loading zone, but that sometimes doesn't work. So we'll hit Z again, hold down to roll. Now we're facing this direction. And now I moved into the loading zone again, so I have a chance to try again. There we go. Facing downward, move away from the side hop, neutral roll, align, jump slash. And it doesn't look like I am going to get that. Maybe I was slightly off. So let's try it again. Sometimes that'll happen, and maybe you were slightly off when turning as you entered the loading room, like I was. In that case, you probably want to try this again. Side hop, roll, get your sword out, align, and jump slash. Hold ESS. Okay, I didn't get it, but I can try it again. The camera may be strange, so let's hit release C and try it again. Okay, there we go. Missed it again. Let's try it again. Get against the wall, slash, release C, hit Z again. Okay. See how often I'm missing it, but I can quickly try again because I held Z the entire time. And there. If you've held your WESS all the way, you can skip past the owl. Make it to Kakariko. Thank you for watching.